Hi, I'm KARL-JAMES LANGFORD, Archaeology Cymru. It's been a very hectic and very stressful past 2 weeks, and the work has only just begun. We've had to suspend all our ghost walks, and they're going to be replaced by evenings, hopefully, that people might take part in to listen to ghost stories via the medium of Zoom or Skype. So that's that side of things. All walks that we do are suspended, all excursions suspended, including a big one down to Devon and Cornwall in April. But we've got to keep people safe. All meetings, all 6-7 classes that we do, they're now suspended, but they are replaced by something else to keep Archaeology Cymru going, being a job, and to keep everybody safe. Keeping everyone safe is the priority, and keeping an eye on everybody. We've got a number of registered students who have paid £48 for the next 2 months to keep things going, and for that they will receive a courtesy call every single week, or at least a text or some kind of contact, so we can make sure everybody's safe. And in that we will find out whether they want notes of that subject for that week sent to them in the post, or whether they would want to take part in a Skype or a Zoom class. Mainly it's to try and keep everybody going. It's going to be a very lonely time for lots of our members, who the only thing that they do and look forward to all week is actually Archaeology Cymru classes, me teaching, and the other activities that we do. Those that it's only part of their life, it's still very important, and it's very important that I keep in touch with everybody and pass on news. So that's the approach for Archaeology Cymru, to keep it going. We haven't gone to the wall like lots of other organisations, and we will continue to serve even more than ever. So I've instead of the role of an archaeologist, I'm a social worker. Now trying to keep our social community organisation going. That is very, very important, and hopefully we will get through this and safe and sound, and we can start back and bounce back even bigger, knowing that we've kept this community going. That's very important, and I really appreciate everybody's support. One thing, if anyone would like to sign up to registering for our classes for 2 months, message me. It's £48 for those 2 months, but it's a really good service which we're trying to do to keep an eye on everybody. All this does cost money, and we're just trying to keep things going. Those that are automatically members of Archaeology Cymru that haven't registered will receive the newsletter when we get around to doing it, because this is now the priority. And just need to message us if you want to register. Anyway, thanks for all the support, those that have signed up, and speak to you all. Apparently every single Monday I'll be doing this. At least I'll try and get around most people, if not on Tuesday. We'll get all the notes out. It's still you know, we've still got to activate everything on Monday. It's going to be a very busy day Monday. It's going to be a very busy day today, Sunday. Anyway, thank you very much.